Now, some operating systems are different than others. The screen that you see when your computer has finished starting up is called a desktop. Depending on what kind of operating system you have, the desktop will look different, but generally consists of menus at the top, bottom, or sides of the screen, with the rest of the screen containing a desktop background or wallpaper. The short desktop background area can also contain any files, applications, or shortcuts. For this one, that's Windows. This will be the background. This is where the data and time settings will be. Folders, the start button, the taskbar, and the shortcuts on the taskbar. And this is different. This is the Mac. So instead, this is the Apple icon instead of the start one. That was different. And the menu bar is up here. And like folders are right here. And stuff like that. When you're done using your computer, it's important to shut it down properly. There are different ways that you would have to shut it down depending on the operating system you have. To shut down Windows 8, you would have to hover your mouse in the lower right corner to access the charms bar, then select Settings. Click Power and select Shut Down. To shut down Windows 7 or Vista, click the Start button and select Shut Down. To shut down Windows XP, click the Start button and then select Turn Off Computer. To shut down Mac OS X, you click the Apple icon and then select Shut Down. A computer uses folders to organize different files and applications that it contains. A folder looks like a file except the icon is shaped like a folder. To find a specific file, you will have to navigate to the correct folder using a specialized application. So, to open Windows Explorer, you have to click on the Windows Explorer icon on the taskbar, and then double-click any folder on your desktop. A Windows Explorer window will open up, which is where your files will be. To open Finder in Mac, click the Finder icon on the dock or double click any folder on your desktop. A Finder window will open up. Now, whether you use Windows Explorer or Finder, basic navigation is the same. If you see the file that you want, you can double click it, or you can go on the left side and select a different location that you would like to go to. To delete files, there are different ways you can do that. If you actually want to permanently delete the file, you need to empty the trash. So to delete a file on a PC, click and drag the file into the recycle bin icon on the desktop, or you can select the file and then press delete. To empty the trash, right-click the recycle bin icon and select empty recycle bin. To delete a file on Mac, you have to click and drag the file into the trash icon into the dock, or you can just also right-click the trash icon and select empty trash to actually permanently delete it. Now, to open applications on a PC, you have to click the Start button and select the desired application, or you could also go to All Programs to see a complete list. For convenience, you can also have them on a shortcut on the taskbar or on the desktop. To open an application on a Mac, you have to click on the applications icon on the dock. If you don't see it, click the spotlight icon. There will be times that you have to adjust your computer settings. To open the control panel in the PC, you have to click the Start button and select Control Panel. The control panel will appear. You can then select the desired category to adjust the settings that you want to. To open System Preferences on Mac, click the Apple icon and select System Preferences. Then it will appear. You can then select the desired category to adjust the settings.